Earthlings, I'm Larysa, happiness archaeologist with Heavenly Nurture Cuddle Party, and today we have Jeff. And you are part of this very exciting organization. Will you tell us about it, what the name is, and what they do?
Yeah, so the name of the organization is AIM. It's a 501c3 charity organization, meaning anything that's donated or tax deductible. But what it is it's an organization that stands for Aid in Mexico in English, or Ayuda in Mexico in Spanish. And what we do is principally we go down to Mexico. We collect items from just the greater community in the area, anyone that's interested in donating, and we take those items down to Mexico to improve the lives of those down there. A couple examples of things that we do are we'll take down toiletry items, hygiene kit items, medical items. It could be something as simple as like crutches and wheelchairs. We take down school supplies for children. And it's mostly just the benefit of what we do is to just better the lives of those that live down there, those that are most in need.
And how long have they been operating?
So they started back in 1987. So it's been, I don't know, that's a long time, older than me.
And how did you get involved with them?
So the people that started the project back in 1987 had recently adopted 4 children from Mexico, from the state of Chihuahua, which is just south of New Mexico in Texas. And they had a special place in their heart for the Mexican people, and they decided that they wanted to give back to the people that live down there. And so every year since then, so for 35 plus years, we've been going back each year to provide that assistance and just put a smile on people's faces.
And how did you meet them and get involved?
So they are my parents' neighbors. So meaning I grew up just like right by them, within a few blocks of them. As a matter of fact, the children that they adopted are my friends and they're my age, and I've grown up with them. So being able to have kind of like a personal history with them and because I know them, and it just makes it like a really cool experience.
So what types of supplies, if people want to donate or help out, what kinds of things are they looking for?
So we're looking for a variety of things, anything from, like I mentioned, hygiene kit items, school supplies. A lot of people, like my mom, just recently knitted like 80 beanies for children. We're looking for one thing that's kind of unique that a lot of people like that we take down there are shovels. So if you have like new shovels you want to donate, and then it could be anything as simple as like donating. You could go to Amazon and pick those things up. Like, for example, I have a friend who just donated 1,000 toothbrushes that he found on Amazon for super cheap. And then he just sent them over to me, and then I just put them in our trailer that we take with us, because our goal is to take anywhere from 4 to 6 trailers full of that stuff, and then we drive the 25 hours down there and spend a week down there working with local people.
And I know some places have like a registry where you can buy things that is a pre-populated list. Do they have that kind of thing on Amazon?
I haven't seen that yet. That's something that probably would be forthcoming. That's a good thing that I need to look into to have for that in the future. But that's a really good idea.
So basically, all year round, people can just donate. Like if they know you or they come across people in their area, they can give it to them. And
yep, yeah, baby supplies, brand new clothes, school supplies, sports equipment. We've taken bikes down there. We took a playground set or 2 a couple of years ago that like a sports equipment company donated to us. So that was really cool. We installed that inside of a school, so it was really cool.
And if people don't know what a hygiene kit consists of, like what are some of the things on that list specifically?
So most people, when we're talking about hygiene kits, you could even Google the word hygiene kit, and there's kind of like a general baseline for what a hygiene kit is. But like soap, shampoo, combs, toothbrushes, toothpaste, like a wash rag, like stuff like that, hand sanitizer, anything like that.
And so do these need to be like travel size, or you could go to Costco and get the giant size?
We traditionally do travel sized ones, like just so that they fit. Because what we do is we put them in Ziploc bags, like the quart bags, like the quart Ziploc bags. And so, like, to make them individualized, we put them in, because what we do as well is we give out, with the money that we collect, we purchase what are called like despensa items. And in like Mexican Spanish, what that kind of means is it's just like a food sustenance bag that we put in kind of what we want. And it's anything from like rice, beans, oil, protein items, like canned protein items, and it feeds a family of 4 for about 3 weeks.
And so if people want to get in touch, is there a website? And can you say the name again so people can?
Yeah, it's called Aid in Mexico, or Ayuda en Mexico. And the best way to get in touch with, I don't know that there's a website. They have not created a website, because we're a very small organization that there's probably 13 of us is all. And it's just like a homegrown small organization that we do that. But if you are interested in that, there is a Facebook or on Facebook, it's AIM, AEM, Ayuda en Mexico is what it is. Ayuda in Mexico. look it up and let us know if you have any questions.
Can you show the logo so that
Yeah,
they've got
yeah,
the right
absolutely.
page?
This is the logo right here. Oh, I disappeared. Let's see if we can do it. It's that one, right? The blue one.
This one.
This
right here.
turquoise one. Yeah, right there. If we can pop it up.
Sometimes if you keep it near the face, it helps.
Yeah, that's funny.
Well, hopefully you can see it. It's
I
blue.
put it by my face right here. And maybe in a second it'll pop up.
It's got a hat on it, and it's got
Yep.
an arrow, and it's blue.
And it has a Mexican sombrero on it, and it's AEM.
So if you find that, you've found the right Facebook page. Anything
Yeah.
else you want to share about this organization and how people
No,
can
most
get involved?
of all what we're doing is we just create smiles and love to those people that live in Mexico. Because what you see is a lot of times in Mexico, they just don't have the same government assistance programs to help people. And so that's kind of where we step in. Although we're a very, very small piece of the pie, it's just the least we can do. And it's because of people like you contributing that we're able to do this kind of stuff.
Well, thank you so much for sharing. And if you have any interest in getting involved, please get in touch with them on Facebook.
Thanks.